heard tweet, Fayaz's tweet, where he says that in the Urdu dictionary, Hindus are defined as thieves, rascals, and dacoits. That's how this country and its people and its civilization and its ethos has been brought down to, and it's been allowed. We need to not just decolonize, but we also need to get some clarity. Go ahead, please.
Correct. So there is a growing branch of scholarship in this particular regard, which both Mr. Jeffrey as well as Sri Sharma, both of them have hinted at. And the word that you're looking at, or the concept that you're looking for, is called coloniality, which effectively means that even after decolonization, which is to say that the colonizers have left, we have somehow inherited the spirit of the colonizer, not just the structural framework in terms of the institutions that we have taken forward, but the spirit with which these institutions have been imbued with and the manner in which they operate. So let's look at it this way. The Constituent Assembly had people like Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, who established the Banaras Hindu University. Then you had Kulapati K.M. Munshi, who set up the Bharati Vidya Bhavan. And with all these people who were so proud of their civilizational consciousness and their Bharatiyata, as well as, dare I say, their Hindu identity, how is it that we have suddenly ended up in a situation where there seems to be utter loathing for the Hindu identity, not just in the minds of the non-Hindus, but in the minds of the Hindus in the first place? Now, frankly speaking, we do not somehow wish to examine the first 30 to 40 years of Bharat's, independent Bharat's history, particularly with respect to its education systems, its history departments, because that is rife with politicking, and unfortunately, nobody wants to talk about it. The fact of the matter is, under the Nehruvian dispensation, our entire education system has been hijacked, or was hijacked, by the hard left, specifically the Marxists and the post-colonial studies. Therefore, what you see today is a product of the seeds that were sown in the early 1950s and 60s, and therefore subsequent generations have grown up with a sense of self-loathing as far as their Bharatiyata is concerned. And allow me to correct you here, it's not Hindu phobia, it's Hindu misia, because Hindu phobia means fear of Hindus, Hindu misia means hatred of Hindus.
Yeah.
And today what you're witnessing is not Hindu phobia, what you're witnessing is massive, large-scale Hindu misia. Okay? So, frankly speaking, who is scared of Hindus? Nobody is scared of Hindus. In which part of the world do you think people are scared of Hindus? Anybody and everybody can get away with any kind of conduct towards Hindus, not just in Bharat, elsewhere, and specifically in Bharat. Therefore, I don't see any fear at all. If a fraction of the conduct or the treatment that is meted out to Hindus as a community and Hinduism as a religion, and I completely agree with Jeffrey that the word religion is not supposed to be used, and there are multiple interpretations of this, I don't think any other community would put up with this kind of shoddy treatment. And frankly speaking, today when Hindus, thanks to, let's say, the explosion of information on the internet, have the ability to have access to information using which they can hold the mirror to other communities and their conduct, they are now being accused of spreading fear of the minorities, or minority phobia, so to speak. So the moment I start talking back and I say that I'm sorry, you're in no position to grandstand and pontificate to me about my conduct because you're certainly not covered in glory, and your global conduct effectively takes away any right from you to talk of civilization and honor and so on and so forth, I am being accused of minority phobia. So this is exactly what is happening. And I think time has come that we go beyond the question of identity politics and focus on, frankly speaking, preserving a certain way of life that is being suffocated, that is being stifled and silenced gradually through institutional support.
Right. Right.